Welcome to your ultimate guide to traveling on a budget. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the world without emptying your wallet, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best tips and tricks to help you explore the world without breaking the bank. We've got you covered from finding cheap flights to budget-friendly accommodations and free activities. Let's start with one of the biggest expenses, airfare. Finding cheap flights is easier than you think if you know where to look. Use flight comparison websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, or Kayak to find the best deals. Flexibility is key. Try searching for flights on different days or even from nearby airports. Signing up for fare alerts can also help you catch flash sales and special discounts. And don't forget about budget airlines. They might not have all the frills, but they can get you where you need to go at a fraction of the cost. Next up, let's talk about where to stay. Budget-friendly accommodations don't have to mean compromising on comfort. Hostels are a great option, especially if you're traveling solo. They're affordable, social, often located in prime areas. For more privacy, consider budget hotels, guest houses, or Airbnb. If you're up for an adventure, try couch surfing, where locals open their homes to travelers for free. Not only does this save money, but it also gives you a chance to connect with locals and get insider tips on the best spots to visit. When it comes to food, eating like a local is the way to go. Skip the touristy restaurants and head to local markets for fresh, affordable ingredients. If you're staying somewhere with a kitchen, booking your meals can save you a lot of money. Don't miss out on street food. It's not only delicious but also cheap, giving you an authentic taste of the local cuisine. Look out for food trucks, night markets, and small family-run eateries where you can eat well without spending a fortune. Exploring a new place doesn't have to be expensive. Many cities offer free walking tours where local guides take you around the top sites and share fascinating stories about the area. Museums and galleries often have free entry days or discounted rates, so plan your visit accordingly.